Hi, I'm Jessica, an e-learning specialist, and I'm here to show you how to use the product function in Excel. All right, so I have a little graph here. Basically, I've got how much money am I going to make per night based on the number of rooms that I have booked. So what I need to do, of course, is multiply 1 times 200. And so I'm going to make a quick formula for that, which I can either start typing, and it will start to come up for me. But in case you can't remember what you're looking for, you can always go to Formula, Insert Functions, type Product, and it will come up. Or if you don't remember that it's product, you could even type Multiply, and it will show you product as well. So that way you can remember. Click it from here. What do I want to multiply? I want to multiply those two options. And there we go, it's 200. Now I can click and drag all the way down, and I can see that 20 times 200 is 4,000. Ooh, what's going on here? Something a little different with the product function that you might want to know. Unlike, say, sum, that would assume a blank space is 0, in the product function, it assumes a blank space is 1. So 21 times 1 is 21. When I type in 0, then it recognizes that it's 0. And so 22 times 0 is, of course, 0. So hope that helps. Get you a little less confused using that multiply function in Excel. Thanks for watching.